Hi, Jolly. How are you doing?
Hi, ma'am. I'm doing good. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me. I would like to ask you a couple of questions and get some feedback of the overall training program. So let's begin, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
So, Jolly, how did you come to know about our website and what did you want to learn from the enrolled course?
I knew about your program from my cousin sister. She had also enrolled, so she suggested I also enroll.
Okay.
And we did a course on microfinance executive, and through that, I've also learned so many things about the bank,
Mhm.
how it works, and what policies it gives. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So, how do you think has your overall experience been with the online training?
It's been really great. Our trainer, Sir David, has been really patient with us and he's taught us wonderfully. So it's overall, it's been a very great experience.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm sure that David would love to hear that feedback from you as well. So thanks a lot for that. And
Thank
how
you.
do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
For one, I think generally people will not know the policies and how the bank works. And I am one of those people. So because of this course, there are so many things that I've learned about the
Yeah.
bank and so many other institutions. So that way it has really enlightened me. So yeah.
You know, in fact, the confidence that you are speaking with shows probably that, how you have changed as a person. So keep that confidence up.
I will, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Which part of the course did you find the most interesting? And how do you find our Learn by Yourself module?
Um, the part that I found most interesting is the KYC part.
Hmm.
That is the most interesting part because through that we knew why it is very important. And also the self-learning module has helped us in a way
Yeah.
because you see we won't always remember everything that we've been
Yeah.
taught. So by going back to these learning modules, we can also always recall and learn them all
Absolutely.
over again.
Absolutely. And
Yes.
what can we do, overall? Do you have any feedback for us, Jolly, where we can make training even better?
Ma'am, I think everything is perfectly fine because I've learned very well. And I don't, maybe there are changes that you can make, but for me, I guess that it has been perfect. And I don't think, personally, I don't think you guys need to make any changes because I've learned perfectly. It's all very good.
Thank you so much for your feedback, Jolly. And would you recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends and relatives?
Yes, ma'am, I would, and I have.
That's
So,
great.
yeah, hopefully they believe that, it really helps
Yeah.
because it has helped me. So, yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, Jolly. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Keep smiling, stay healthy, and stay safe. Thank you for your
Thank you,
time.
ma'am. You too. Thank you so much.